Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the display refresh rate on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll down and go to display and brightness. And then over here, if you scroll down, you will find the refresh rate over here. You can go into that option in order to set it to default, the recommended one, or custom. If you set it to default, then the refresh rate will be adjusted dynamically to up to 144 Hz. Based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. And in addition to that, like I said, we also have custom, where you can force a specific refresh rate. So you can tap on the refresh rate option in order to choose between 60 Hz and up to 144. And then also, if you use 144 Hz screen refresh rate, then we have apps using the high refresh rate, and here you can enable and disable this amount of refresh rate for specific apps. At the bottom, we also have additional information, so you might want to read about it in order to better understand how the refresh rate works, especially when you use up to 144 Hz. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.